Guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. For all my new subscriber, thank you very much. And for my whole subscriber, thank you for journeying with me this far. Today I'm going to make another juice, and I'm going to make beetroot, carrot, and I'm going to add some orange juice to it. Let your food be your medicine and your medicine be your food. For my orange and lemon, it's good for immune system. It fight the cold and anything you have, yes. And for my ginger, oh God, it is excellent. It's good for pain, headache, belly pain, arthritis. Very good, very good. And for my carrot, oh God, if you have bad vision, eyesight, use carrot. Make carrot juice and drink. The benefits of the beetroot: it's good for low blood sugar. Okay, I'm gonna cut my ginger first. And you know, I always do my ginger first because I like the remain for my tea. You heard I told you that it's good for pain, right? My ginger first. Okay. Always use my remain to make a cup of tea. Okay. And wet my carrot and leave my beet for the last. 2 cups of water, 3 cups. It's all my water. Here goes my carrot. Okay, that's my beets. Okay, good. Okay, this is a lemon. So my orange juice with my lemon. Okay, cup of brown sugar. And I'm gonna sweeten it to the taste. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste and see if it needs more sugar. Wow. Yes, I think it needs a little bit more sugar. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. I think that will do. Wow, the orange juice bring it up, man. Okay, I think we're ready to drink. Oh, Wow, very nice. Okay, the ginger tasting it with orange. Okay, remember, thank you very much for watching, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Okay, thank you all. Bye.